So, welcome and watch what happened between Argentina and Algeria tonight. This was a historic match. Watch it. So, tonight we are gonna give you a match between the Argentina, the world champions, and Algerians. So, Messi scored, but it was ruled out as an offside. The VAR ruled it out. Also, the Algerians' goal was ruled out as an offside. Oh my god, Lionel Messi gave Argentina a lead. He scored the first goal for Argentina. Watch this, an incredible goal. Messi scored a second goal for Argentina. How impressive! Wow, that was an amazing goal. Wow, Argentina are leading 2-0. Algerians down to nil. In this tackle, Messi almost scored a hat-trick, but it was saved by the goalkeeper. So, after the hydration break, Messi made it 3 for Argentina. Messi scored her first hat-trick ever in the World Cup. He is really good. He has scored a hat-trick today. Lionel Messi. Algeria have been given a free kick. Let us see if they will convert it. So, Lionel Messi has scored her first hat-trick ever in the World Cup. He is really good.